Hey guys, so sorry I just didn't quite finish on that last problem. So again, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of -1 is I, the square root of 2 is the square root of 2, nothing comes out of that, and it remains positive and negative, right, when you take the square root of both sides. So your answer is x equals positive and negative 3I root 2. Okay, go ahead and give number 10, A and B a try. Take your time, work through it. And I'm going to pause it, or please pause right now, and here are the answers. Okay, number 10, x equals positive and negative 11I, and, sorry, 10a, and then 10b is x equals positive and negative 7I root 3. There's the work, take a look at that if you need. And if I have two 7s, I can pull 1 out, right? The square root of 7 times the square root of 7, I can pull out just 7. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do number 11 here, and then number 12 is for you, and this is it. We'll finish it on up. So, pause if you need more time. Last one here, number 11 and 12. Concept 6, finding the zeros of quadratic functions. And it says, find the zeros of f of x equals 4x squared plus 20. Well, what does it mean if it says find the zeros? F of x equals 0. It says, when it says find the zeros, it really means solve for x. Right? What is the solutions? What are the x-intercepts? Alright, what are the zeros? That's all the same thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set 4x squared plus 20 equal to 0. To solve, I'm going to subtract 20 to isolate the 4x squared on one side. I'm going to solve 4x squared by dividing by 4. I get x squared equals negative 5. I'm going to solve by taking the square root of both sides of the equation, giving me x equals positive and negative. Well, 5's nothing's coming out of there. It's a prime number, but I have negative 1 in there, right? The square root of negative 1, which is I root 5, and I am done. Number 12 is for you to try. Give it your best go. Take your time. And pause now. So I am going to show the answer here. Alright, the answer for number 12, x equals positive and negative I root 10. Alright, that is it for 3.2. Adios.